Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a spring music playlist. Also, I'm thinking of making a 2013 favorite music playlist because I love music from like 2012 to 2015. So like this video if you think I should do that. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos like this, and comment down below any video requests you guys have. Follow all my social media. I post photography and really cool stuff on there, and let's get started. So the first song is actually from this show called Alex & Co, which is an Italian Disney show that's amazing. The only thing is that it's in Italian, so you have to find one with English voice dubs over it, but it's an amazing show. I love it so much, and they have some amazing songs in the show, and this is one of my favorites, and it's called The Magic of Love by Leonardo Cecchi.
The closer we get to each other, wherever you go, the magic of love will tell you right from wrong.
Okay, so the next song is a song that I've loved for literally years. It's Clarity by Zed, but it's actually a cover by Brie Hart, and she is an amazing singer, and I just love the piano piece she put onto it, and it's just so good.
I dive into frozen waves where the past comes back to life. You are a piece of me I wish I didn't need, chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why.
So the next two songs are from the Disney movie Zombies, and I watched it when it came out and it was so good and I really liked it. And I really became obsessed with two of these songs. So the first one is Someday, and that one is so cute. The music video is adorable.
From the perfect paradise, and I'm living on the darkest side.
Ooh, I gotta know that this could be ordinary. Someday, could we be something extraordinary?
You and me side by side. We're gonna be someday. We're gonna be someday.
Someday, someday.
The next song is Bam by the Zombies cast again, and it's so hype.
Welcome to Zombie Land. It's a party, go ahead, everybody dance to the dragon leg. You sure? Oh man, but you can't do it like I can. Oh, I can. You're in Zombie Land. I'm in Zombie Land. We're in Zombie Land. Watch me do it like a bam.
The next song is by Vanek X Akilo, and it's called Losing You, and the first time I heard the song I was like, this is so good.
I don't know what I could have done. Looking back at everything,
The next song is called Wonderwall. It's originally by Oasis, I'm pretty sure. The version that I have also been obsessed with, because I'm obsessed with the original too, is the one by Chad Cooper and Robert. It's amazing.
I beat the words on the street, but the fire in your heart is out. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do, don't you know? And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the nights really because we play. You gotta be the one that saves me.
The next song is by Neovi, and it's called Should've Started, and it's so good. It's like a trap song, and like, it's a really good drop. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a really good drop, and it's amazing.
I'm coming down like an ice. Oh, I'm so sick and tired of waiting, trying to live in it. Just run away. Run fast before I wanted. Live the life that I should have started.
So the next song is an amazing song, has a great drop as well. It's by Arlissa and Jonas Blue, and it's called Hearts Ain't Gonna Lie, and it's the Dark Heart remix. The next two songs are by San Holo, and I love his music so much, and it's just amazing, and this song is called We Rise. next song by San Holo is called One Thing, and it's amazing, and I'm gonna play it.
Searching all the words for one thing.
Next song is Run by Vaora. I don't know if that'll upset people because apparently they broke up, and actually Neovi, who I previously mentioned, was a part of that group, but I decided to listen to their songs because people said it was really good, and one of them, called Run, is amazing. The drop is just so good, and you guys are about to hear it and your brain's just gonna explode.
It's running. It's running.
And the last song is kind of a throwback, kind of I guess. It's the iPhone Ringtone Trap Remix, and I've been listening to this for a few. I saw it again and I was like, I have to share it. I just can't not share it. And it's just so good. It's one of my favorites. Is that my phone call? What am I doing? I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was so much fun to film. I love talking about music and sharing my music favorites with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. Also, like this video because it really helps my channel out a lot. And comment down below any video requests or any of your favorite songs. Maybe I could even do like a reacting to your guys' favorite songs. I don't know. Follow all my social media. I post really cool photography on there and you guys should totally follow it. And I'll see you guys next week.